Welcome back. This is Rich with Resurface. I speak to a lot of people about resurfacing their garage floors with our Garage Armor epoxy and decorative flake urethane combination. Carries a lifetime warranty. And one of the most common questions I get asked is maintenance. What do I need to do to maintain my beautiful floor after it's installed? So I decided to shoot this video today to show exactly how complicated maintenance is on a Garage Armor floor. So bear with me as I work through this. Now, as a garage junkie, I used to clean my garage once a week, and at the very least once a month. And there's an old adage that says the dirtiest carpet in town belongs to the carpet cleaner. Stands to reason that he cleans carpet all day long, so the last thing he wants to do when he gets home is clean his own carpet. I'm here to prove that adage to be true. I install a lot of floors, and I know what our floors can withstand as far as daily abuses, so I take mine for granted, and I really have it down to cleaning it twice a year. In the fall, obviously making room for everything coming in out of the nasty weather, and then again in the spring, cleaning up after a harsh winter's abuse. This is just at such occasion. It's time for a little spring cleaning. The Ohio weather is finally broken, so it's time to clean this floor and bring back its beauty. Few things you're going to need. It's a very complicated process. So you want to start by removing the dry debris, such as leaves. I like a leaf blower, but just to make it look like I'm working, I'm showing you how to use a broom. I'm going to start with the very first thing that you're going to need. There it is. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's just water. I like to refer to it by its technical name, high quality H2O. Traveled all the way to my tap to get that, and it will solve 99% of the problems you'll face on your dirty Garage Armor floor. Now, I know what you're saying. You will have occasion to have something a little worse than road salt and dirt. You might have a little bit of oil or maybe a sticky juice, heaven forbid some pop. You might need to kick it up a notch. And I recommend your standard household cleaners. A couple drops of dishwashing liquid goes a long way. No need for harsh chemicals. Your daily household cleaners, as simple as Windex will work. But 99% of the time, high quality H2O. So these polyaspartic urethane coatings can pretty much withstand anything. Any chemical you throw at it, abrasion, UV. Unfortunately, the technology has not advanced enough to stop mud from drying on it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to break the bond that this dirt has on that seal. So a lot of different methods to choose from here. You can apply in pretty patterns. You can get crazy and splash it about. You can take it straight from the hose. It's really what works for you. I'm going to go with the basic splash and dash method. Just going to apply the water liberally. The goal here is to get the floor wet. Next, you're going to need a very specialized tool. I traveled all the way to the big box store to pick up this beauty, a floor squeegee. Now, there's a huge debate on which type of floor squeegee to use. I particularly like this one. And the main reason is it's not the ugliest one on the shelf. Let's be honest. It's going to spend 363 days of the year hanging on the wall. So don't put an ugly one on. It's that simple. This particular one, though, I opted for the deluxe model that has threaded end on both ends so that I could add this nice little truck wash brush. Soft bristle. Not really aggressive. It's really all you need. So if you have a tough spot, it's simple to give it a nice agitating motion just to loosen that bond a little faster. And as you can see, we've already done a lot of the work. Whew, I'm getting tired. So the next step, again, big debate on the best way to do this. I like to grip the handle, press down firmly, and push. As you can see, the dirt simply rolls off the floor. Revealing the beautiful floor beneath. And as you can see, it's clean again. And that brings us to the final step and the most important step, the whole process. You're going to go to your refrigerator and grab your favorite beverage. You're going to open it and continue living. That's right, you're done. So why are you watching me work? Go call Reservice. Ask about your garage armor floor and show your garage a little love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get quality videos like this. Thanks.